Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into an important part of female anatomy that plays a key role in sexual pleasure and sensitivity. It refers to the small sensitive organ located at the top of the vulva, above the vaginal opening. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as clitoris, 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 clitoris. This helps women experience sexual pleasure and making it an essential part of human anatomy and understanding sexual wellness. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about the clitoris, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.